Two tools that come in handy while editing are undo and redo. Undo allows you to undo your last actions, and redo will reinstate the erased action. Use cut, copy, and paste buttons to move your selections within a file or to a new project window. Clicking on copy loads the selection onto the clipboard so that you can paste it elsewhere while preserving the original selection. Similarly, clicking on cut also loads your selection onto the clipboard, but removes the selection from its original location. After using copy or cut to load a selection to the clipboard, go to the new location, click at the spot you want the selection added, then click the paste button. To delete a selection, click on the delete button. You can also remove the audio from a selection using the silence button. This does not change the timing of your file. It simply clears all audio from the selection. You can also add silence to your file using Insert Silence at Cursor, Insert Silence at Beginning, or Insert Silence at End. For more WavePad tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.